Inspector are in the new fire station right now? I brought some Dominoes to the new fire station right now. So what is called? It's easy to know. Please answer to this right now.
I think it's called color-changing dominoes. It's very colorful enough. This looks fun to play.
Yeah, color-changing dominoes that mean is one side is perfectly painted, but the rest are normal. When you knock it down and then turn into another color, and that's it. It's not that hard.
Wow. Good to know that you too. Color-changing dominoes are so much fun to play. Should we start now?
I think we should get started to play color-changing dominoes in here right now. Let's do this.
Same here. I'm so excited for this. Let's make a setup to knock it down. Here we go.
Hey, before we start this one, how to make a color-changing dominoes with us. It's so easy to make color-changing dominoes. Please hear it right now.
It's so easy to make the color-changing dominoes. Use a black and white spray paint this time. Remember to use satin, not flat, because we made a mistake, and then it was just a mess.
Yeah, me too. Just be careful if you do that from now on. If not, you will make a mess. Spray paint the dominoes on the side with different color, and wait for the dominoes to dry. Once the dominoes are completely dry, now you can have some color-changing dominoes right now. And that's it. It's not that hard to know the commentary.
Oh, it's 3 of you again. Jessie, Noah, and Tanker. We are so glad to came to us at the right time. And that's right. Color-changing dominoes are very easy to make those. All right, let's go.
A few minutes later.
All right, so this is what they looked like the setup. The split technique with some color-changing dominoes on it. So, are we ready to knock it down now?
Yes, we are so excited to see the dominoes falling in here. How cool is that?
Me too. We are so excited to see this in here. So how about yours? Please let us know right now.
I think we are so excited to see these in here too right now. We can still do this for this.
Yeah, I can't wait to see the dominoes falling in here right now. How cool is that?
Since we are ready to see this, let's knock it down right now. Here we go.
Wow, we did it! The color-changing dominoes came out perfect! This is our first time to see this! Right, guys? Please answer me right now.
That's right, color-changing dominoes. It's so much fun to play right now. We can do that next time.
Yeah, the dominoes turns white and black. How colorful is that? We can make it more soon.
Yeah, I think the color-changing dominoes was so satisfying to watch. That was unbelievable.
Me too. We can watch it again next time. Color-changing dominoes are so colorful enough.
Me 3. Since we are finished watching the dominoes falling long, can you do the outro right now? Go for it.
Of course we can do the outro right now. We are so happy to see this in here right now. We can definitely watch it again next time. And that's it. Goodbye.